Smooth finishes start with the right tool, and a palm sander delivers precision, control, and efficiency for woodworking and DIY projects. Choose the best palm sander to reduce vibration, improve grip, and achieve professional quality surfaces with consistent performance every time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt palm sander. The DEWALT 20-volt palm sander stands out as a reliable cordless option built for efficiency and user comfort. Its brushless motor maximizes runtime while maintaining consistent power, making it ideal for extended sanding sessions without performance drops. The low-profile design brings your hand closer to the work surface, improving precision and control, especially during detail tasks. One of its most practical features is the replaceable hook-and-loop sanding pad, which ensures quick and hassle-free paper changes. The dust-sealed switch significantly enhances durability by preventing dust intrusion, a common issue in sanding tools. Comfort is also well addressed with the texturized rubber overmold grip, reducing fatigue during longer projects. Additionally, the one-handed locking dust bag simplifies cleanup and keeps your workspace cleaner.
Number 2. 3M Random Palm Sander. The 3M Random Palm Sander is designed with professional-grade performance in mind, particularly for users who prioritize power and continuous operation. Powered by a 0.28 HP motor, this pneumatic sander offers impressive strength that often surpasses standard electric models, making it suitable for demanding sanding and finishing applications. Its precision-balanced motor ensures smooth operation, reducing vibration and providing better control throughout extended use. This feature is especially beneficial when working on large surfaces or fine finishing tasks where consistency is critical. The inclusion of the 3M Stick-It disc pad allows for quick and secure attachment of adhesive-backed sanding discs, streamlining the workflow. Durability is another highlight, with its aluminum body and composite cover designed to withstand heavy use while minimizing the risk of damage. The ergonomic, low-profile design enhances comfort and handling, making it easier to maneuver in tight or detailed areas. As a pneumatic tool, Number 3. BOSCH ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander. The BOSCH ROS 20 VSC Palm Sander is a well-rounded option that focuses on delivering smooth, swirl-free finishes with user-friendly features. Its pad dampening system is specifically engineered to minimize swirl marks, making it a great choice for both flat and contoured surfaces. Powered by a 2.5 amp motor, it offers variable speed control between 7,500 and 12,000 OPM, allowing you to match the sanding speed precisely to your project needs. The hook-and-loop disc attachment system ensures quick and secure sandpaper changes, improving efficiency during workflow. One of the standout features is its advanced dust collection system, which uses a microfilter to capture fine particles as small as half a micron. This not only keeps your workspace cleaner, but also contributes to better air quality during operation. The twist-off dust canister is compact, easy to monitor, and simple to empty, adding to overall convenience. The included accessories, such as sanding discs and a vacuum adapter, make it ready to use straight out of the box.
Number 4. MAXXT Electric Palm Sander. The MAXXT Electric Palm Sander offers versatility and advanced features that cater to a wide range of sanding tasks. One of its key advantages is the inclusion of 2 interchangeable backing pads, allowing users to switch between 5-inch and 6-inch sizes depending on the project. This flexibility makes it suitable for both detailed work and larger surface areas. The 5.0 mm oscillation ensures efficient material removal while maintaining a consistent finish. Its EC brushless motor delivers stable, powerful performance with reduced vibration, enhancing both durability and user comfort. The dual-mode speed control system adds another layer of precision, offering both adjustable throttle control and fixed speed settings for different applications. Safety is also a priority, with an electronic braking system that quickly stops the pad, reducing the risk of accidents during high-speed operation. The ergonomic design helps minimize fatigue, even during prolonged use, making it practical for intensive projects. Overall, this sander combines flexibility. Number 5. PropeLannt Random Palm Sander. The PropeLannt Random Palm Sander is a compact and efficient tool designed for users who value flexibility and compatibility. As a bare tool, it works exclusively with DEWALT 20V Max and 60V Flex batteries, making it a convenient option for those already using DEWALT systems. Its brushless motor enhances efficiency, reduces noise, and extends the overall lifespan of the tool. The 3 variable speed settings allow for customized performance, enabling you to adjust the sanding intensity based on the task at hand. One of its standout features is the effective dust control system, which captures most debris and helps maintain a cleaner workspace. The inclusion of both 40p and 80p sandpaper adds immediate usability, allowing you to start both rough and fine sanding tasks right away. Its compact design makes it particularly useful for tight spaces, overhead work, and detailed projects where larger sanders may struggle. Despite its smaller size, it maintains solid performance and ease of handling. Overall, this sander is a practical choice for users seeking portability.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.